Minsan lang ako nag-vlog ng Sunday, guys. But yeah, anyway, alis tayo today. Naka-ready na kami ni Nia. She's there sa table waiting for her Nutella bread. Well, not really Nutella, but chocolate bread. Ito yung ginagamit ko ulit. Kasi naubos na yung una niya. This is her second one. Ano siya? Yung Feast-Day na chocolate spread from Costco. Ito yung paborito niya. And ito yung gusto ko ngayon kasi super tamis ng Nutella, guys. So, I already said that sa mga previous vlogs ko. And ito yung gamit kong bun. Burger bun siya na brioche. Ayan. Kasi mas masarap siya. So, yun yung gamit ko. And ubos na. That's the last one. 4 lang kasi siya sa isang packet. So, before kami umalis, kakain muna siya. We're going to these brothers shop. Yung tinayo nilang shop na sinasabi ko sa inyo na he's been busy helping his brother setting up the shop. So, ayun. And later, I will show you guys kung ano yung tsura ng pool shop nila. So, it will be open 24/7, located in Wangara. If taga-Perth kayo, mahilig kayo mag-play ng pool. So, yeah. Maybe you can go there sa mga spare time nyo. They also do competitions and stuff. So, yes. Maybe you wanna join. So, may mga tournament yan sila. Kanina pa dun sina daddy, kami, susunod. Kanina umaga pa sila dun. Umalis ata sina daddy 8:30. So, yeah. Opening kasi today. So, hindi ko alam kung madaming tao dun. But maybe. Yes. Chocolate spread. There you go, miss. Say good morning to the people. Give me my phone. Wala mang sound yan. May malubat si mami. Go eat first. Ilang battery na lang kayo, guys. Tingnan nga. 60%. Mabilis siya malubat, no? Mabilis din siya i-charge. Nagulat ako nung chinarge ko to. I was like, what? Parang kaka-charge ko lang, puno na siya. Mabilis lang siya. Mga siguro 15 minutes, full na siya. Di ko pa nagagamit yung extended battery niya. Di ba dalawa yun? So, yeah. I've been using just the camera itself. Hindi ko pa din nagagamit yung kanyang tripod. Yeah, so far, so good tong camera na to. But, when I was transferring the video sa laptop, ano siya, guys, there's something wrong with the video. I think because of how I set up the FPS. This one is my favorite. Anong tawag dito? Yung parang butter bread. Can you see yourself? Let's go, guys. We're in the car. Only your hand malang. Oh my gosh. Mas malayo siya sa Canon G7X ko. Wala tong wide angle. Anyway.
See, it's so blurry.
So blurry, yeah, because it's so small. Can I check on my phone? Parang okay naman kayo dyan, guys. Diba, parang hindi lang nagmamadali. Sabi ni Daddy, you can go there at 10. Guys, 11 na. 11:18 na. Wala naman tayong gagawin dun. Bumaliktad din yung camera.
Let's go right now.
Alright. Maganda. Very good. Anyway, kahapon, di ako nakapag-edit ng vlog kasi naglinis kami ng garage, guys. I'm so happy we did it. Ang dami naming natapon. Ayun. Masakit naman lang. Tapos yung iba, iniwan namin sa... Sa dog?
Yeah. Bark.
Oh, we have to go this way. Yung iba, iniwan namin sa gilid ng garage kasi baka may interested. Kasi ano pa, okay pa, tapos hindi ginagamit. So, I hope may pipick up niyan ng mga gamit na yan. Kasi sayang kung itatapon lang. Kung wala, itatapon natin. Yes, baby. We just got here, guys. So, you say hi to them, Ken?
Is this going Stella there?
Maybe. So, let's go inside. Are you ready?
Yeah, because Skull and Stella's mom and dad.
Yeah. This is a steak shop. Alright, wait now. Kunin ko kayo. Hello! Tingnan niyo, naka-Elsa talaga siya, guys. Oh! Take off your seatbelt. Diba? With matching headband. Ilang araw niyo na yan gusto suotin? Sa daycare, kung saan kami pumunta, sa grocery. Finally, nasuot niya today. Kasi, oh my gosh. Gustong gusto talaga niya kasi yung Elsa na dress na yan. Tiga, tuloy na. Let's go na.
Yay, I got Elsa powers.
You got Elsa powers. O, diba? So, ayan. Diyan tayo pupunta, guys. It is a mobile phone parts and repairs. Pero, we're still trading as that. Pero may, may pool shop na din. Pag naghahanap kayo, paggawaan ng phone, dito, meron sila dito. Ayan yung address, 1151 Prindiville Drive, Wangara. Alright, let's go. Ang init today. Init, walang hangin, guys.
Okay. Okay, Stella, you and me are that.
Mia, move there because uncles are playing. Okay, uncle's saying, Mia, move. No more. No more music.
Hey, lights out, we can do it. Lights out.
Dito na kami sa loob. They're playing, guys. Kumain na din kami. Ah, ito mga batang to, sumasayaw. Kumakanta. Aha. Siya si Elsa today. Andun pala si Daddy.
She wants Elsa.
Kumain na din kami. Andyan yung mga food. Daming food. Mia, you want bread? Mommy will get you bread. I'll just get one. Ito yung mga food. Busog kayo. Full na. Nice background. Daddy, are they all popular? Daddy, are they all popular? Are they all popular? I know, I only know that guy from the Philippines. Efren Reyes.
Sorry. It's right, isn't it? Kiều đây nó sẽ đẹp con bột ra đấy, nó đặt cái dây đến cái này.
What is wrong? No, con, no.
Cái tên này cũng ui, tên cây quay.
Yeah. Was it melting?
Yeah, it was melting. I put it in. Ay! Ay! Oh! What? No way. Ha? Oo nga, nilalaman yan. That's yung mga guys. Let's try it.
Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Rehearsal na naman dito sa pool club.
What language is that?
Just go hit the ID. Here.
people, we are home. And soon we're gonna take a shower kasi punta kami sa bahay ng parents ko. Walang edit na naman today, guys. Wala namang edit na naganap. Ito, nakahubad. Pinahubad ko na sa kanya yung Elsang dress niya kasi daming glitters everywhere. Sobrang daming glitters nun. Ako, ang dami ko ng glitters. Naka-black pa ako. Tapos siya din. My goodness, tong batang to.
Oh no!
Yes.
Can you sit with me there?
Yeah, charge it. I'm just here. Just sit there.
Oh.
Why you want me to sit with you?
I don't want to sit with you.
Sa kamerang to, nasasanay ako na nasa screen nasa baba nakatingin. Baliktad sila ng G7X, guys. Kasi yung G7X, yung screen nasa taas. Tapos yung kanyang camera nasa baba. So, baliktad. Dito na ako tumitingin kaysa dyan sa palens. Hello, Pachi. Hello. Kailangan mo naman gupit ulit. Gugupitan ka na naman ulit. Kasi ang dami mo na namang fur, oh. Haba na ng buhok mo. Ha? You need a haircut again. And a nail cut. Ay, nako.
And you had a nail cut. And you need a...
Nakaligo na kami ni Mia, guys. We are going to my parents' house na. But she's still looking for something to bring there. So, may pili pa siya. Look at her. Andyan lahat ng kanyang mga pens.
I want to do Rocky, dear.
Rocky? Okay.
So I want to bring this.
Okay, just bring it.
Also, I want to bring this.
Okay, come on. And your pen. Don't forget how you're gonna do it without...
I know the colors of them. So, Rocky is green everywhere like that.
Yeah, bring your pens too. Sige, go. Alright, ready?
Mama, look at this. When I'm here, I can easily stretch my arm to you.
Oh, wow. Okay. Can you chuck that in the bin?
I can
Your
stretch
snack?
more like this.
Why you leave it there? Can you put it in the bin?
This.
Yeah.
I can stretch
Leave
it.
that-
How much can you stretch?
Wow. Sige na. And
I
the tissue?
can do it more. I'm bigger than
Oh, very good.
same.
We're here. Mia is doing coloring with Daddy Lo.
They're the same. What about the cow?
Pati si Daddy Lo naka-color na
What
there.
about the cow? And the frog?
Can paint it differently. Who is that?
What's Mia doing? Wow. Oh, you're coloring or what? What are you doing? You're just putting the number.
Same.
Ari na maho, look.
Nagbaral ka siya na, Joy.
Nag-order ka lang, tapos ka na din.
Say hi.
Ay, sinaya.
First kay Manoy. O, diba? Ang liit-liit. Manabi siya dalon kung diin-diin.
Sige, gagawin ko lang naman. Sige, para sa kung
Pang travel.
Baka mo sa imong laptop mo.
Mama is cleaning the house and look what she found. Ang aming mga books before. And,
Yung bakal,
ha?
online.
And I pick it up. Okay, click and collect. And look! O, diba? Ang dami kong gamit, guys. Nung I was studying.
Play with this
I
now.
also have a book here.
I want to play with this now.
Early Childhood Studies.
I want to play with
Anatomy and Physiology. And my bags. Let's show people my bags. Wow! Look at Mommy's bags here, Mia. Look at my bags! Wow! Ito pa mga, I don't know what's there, pero mga gamit. I don't know what's in there in this books man.
Mama, look, it has the ring.
Oh my gosh, and Mia has gifts too. Oh my gosh. What's that, Mia? Oh. What's that, Mia? Mia's got Frozen. So, di ba yung bakal ma? Magulang na.
Pagkagalagaw na mo ni Papa mo. Siyempre, vaccine din ako na.
Okay. Wow, is that a makeup? Oh my goodness.
Sa pumata na, pisto ba na?
You're so lucky. Ask Mamila to get the scissors so you can open.
Mama, can you get scissors?
We go there to Mamila. So Mamila can open it for you. Sige, go.
Open mo. Matanong ka lang niya. Open sa yung process.
Dala lang di. Ako na ma-open. This is what she's got.
I don't know.
H3 plus. What's in this? What's in this, Mia? You got a microphone? What is it?
I know what to do with it. I'm tinkering it out. I'm tinkering it out.
What is it? Wow! Mia's got a necklace. You show people the necklace, the earrings. Okay, let's put
This
this.
is a big earring.
Yeah, let's put it on your
I
ear.
hope it doesn't hurt my ear.
It's not gonna hurt. It's just fake. We'll just put it, clip it, and that's it. Hambal niya, I hope it doesn't hurt my ears. Do you think it will hurt your ear? Yay! And show people the And then the other one. This other one. Yay! What's the other one? Oh my gosh, Mia's got a brush. What's this brush for? And you get a hairbrush. Oh, what's this? A wand. Magic wand? Oh, yeah, you need a battery. Oh my gosh, another makeup for Mia. Oh, you get a ring too.
You can tell me that.
Here, baby. Mia, hold this so you got ring. And this one is a hair clip. Yes. Nakaman, are you hungry?
Maybe can you put a battery now?
Oh no. I don't know to do a battery. Ano ma? Ano ma?
Do we have batteries?
Ano ma?
Ow!
Because I have to put this. Here.
Now can I see?
And then the other one, it's a clip.
I think you turn it.
No, because it's hard to clip. You have to clip kasi. I should. There.
The earrings like
Wala mo kung ano yung nababahal sa akon, ma? Wala mo ano yung nababahal sa akon? Ang sandal na may heels. Na frozen. Yeah, kita ko man yan. Oh my gosh. No. That one. This one.
that's a fake one.
Is this just a fake one? Okay.
This
Wala ka sang ano? Oh, it's just a fake one. What's this?
It's
It's just a fake one. It's not real. A pretend one. I like your earrings though.
just only you.
I like your earrings, Mia. Show the dilo your earrings.
Wow! Wow!
Uy, nine
Yum,
naman.
yum, yum.
Aring mo, may battery. Wala ka battery?
Battery time.
Basta ano yun.
Battery ka na?
Let it go! Let it go!
It's just a wand. It's not a... Oh, speaker, is it? Oh, maybe it makes a sound and light up.
Let it go. Let it go. I have some earrings.
Let's cover all this stuff here. Oh, you wanna read the book? I'll read you a book. Whoever you are. Oh, Little Cat and the Big Red Bus.
No.
You don't want that?
I'm gonna make her hair very pretty.
Who? Daddy Lou. Daddy Lou, make Daddy Lou's hair pretty.
Yeah. You first.
Me first.
Yeah. Hi, I'm brushing.
Yeah, here. Oh.
Be steady.
Wait lang. Aray.
Hi.
Because it's very, ano kasi, oh. There.
He's steady.
Mm. But my hair's already alright.
Oh. Is it a cookie cutter?
Finish? Thank you. Okay, all done na.
Yep. That's Daddy.
Yes.
It's your turn.
Mia is the hairdresser.
What's up?
Wait.
You comb my hair?
Oh, done.
All done. That's it.
Kisahin lolo sa kilikili?
Wow. Let me see. Don't grab it because it's gonna fall. Wow. Let me see. Wow.
Do we have batteries?
WAVES, waves. What is a wave? What's a wave? What's a wave? Where can we find a wave? In the beach, Mia. The wave is in the beach.
They're playing Scrabble. Mia.
So
Mia knows the letter.
L. Find letter L.